gently on a chilly night. The cool breeze whispers, everything feels right. I'm sitting here in a room so still, the windows open, letting in the quiet thrill. Turn on my favorite show, let my mind unwind. Snacks by my side, warmth I can't define. The soft sound of rain, lulling me to sleep. In this peaceful night, my heart finds its key. Tonight, it's just the rain and simple joys I find. Watching droplets fall as time unwinds. Everything feels calm, no worries in my mind. In this peaceful night, my heart finds its key. Tonight it's just the rain and simple joys I find. Watching droplets fall as time unwinds. Everything feels calm, no worries in my mind. In this rainy night, my heart's at peace, so kind. The sky doesn't need to shine for my soul to glow. In this gentle rain, I find what I've come to know. Not in the rush, but in the simple things I seek, where my heart finds rest in moments so unique. The rain keeps falling, I keep gazing on. In this quiet serenity, I've found where I belong. In the simplicity of this night, I found the peace I've sought. In this rainy night, with happiness gently calm.